Hi friends, so today we'll be moving on word problem leading to simultaneous, but before that we want God to teach us and direct us. So simultaneous equation and word problem. Now looking at the first question says a number of two digits is increased by 9. The number of two digits is increased by 9 when the digits are reversed. It is increased when the digits are reversed. The sum of the digits is 5. Find the number. So looking at the question on the board. The question says two digits. You will now say we don't know the digits. So you say let the digits be x and y. A number has two digits, meaning that okay, you can assume that the number should be 28, meaning that 28, meaning that 28, meaning that 20 and 8 abi, this is the units part of it and this is the tens digits. So meaning that x is the tens digit and y is the unit part of it. But you must note that the number is not given. Assuming that the number is given, we don't know the number, so we assume that this is the 10 digit and this is the unit part of it. Now okay, let's solve the question. So, and I want you to know something. Okay, let's read further. And the question also say so the digits, so we assume that 20 and 8 abi, but let's cancel it. So the number is not given, so we have to look for the number in the question. So this is the tens digits, assume as 20 abi, and this is the unit part of it, like y. So you can also write it in this form: x plus y. Like 20 plus 8, that's 28. So x plus y. So this is it. Now the question now say it is increased. That is the two digit number is increased by 9, meaning that you add 9 to the number, that is x plus y plus 9, equals to the question now later says. So the question says when reversed the digits are when the digits are reversed, the number here is added by 9, that is this side is added by 9 when this is reversed. Reverse means that we accepted our x to be the tens digit abi, but in this situation you accept your y to be the tens digit and y to be at this point y to be the unit part of it, but this point x to be the unit. You interchange x 10x but 10y. So we just, instead of x here at this side, reverse. So when it is reversed, it is added to 9 at this side, that is 9 is added to this side when it is reversed. So we got this. So we will collect our like terms. So when we collect our like terms, 10x, this is plus x coming to this side turns minus x abi, plus y also coming to this side minus y, then plus your 9 equals to what's left, 0 is here. So when you subtract x from this, that's 9x abi, subtract 10y minus this minus 9y abi, then plus 9 equals to 0. So we divide both sides. We divide all side, divide all side by 9, dbs, divide all side by 9. So when we divide all side by 9, over this cancel, so what's left, x minus y equals to, so your 9 coming out turns to what, minus 9. So when we divide it to be minus 1 abi, so that's the equation 1. So the equation 2 now says this, both of them are now sum. The sum of the two digits is 5. So the sum of it, x plus 5, the digits are x and y abi, when we sum it equals to 5. That's the equation 2. The question now says we should look for the number. So the number, looking at this, we need to look for x and y in order to get our number. So this is x minus 1, our equation 1. This is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So we need to use simultaneous using the elimination method, since we've gotten our the equation, the two equations. So this is plus times plus, at this side, the invisible plus times plus is plus, opposite of plus is minus. So that's how we got the minus. So minus x, that's cancel each other, minus y minus, that's minus times plus minus minus y, that's minus 2y, minus 2y equals to 1 minus plus, minus times plus, invisible plus abi, that's minus 6. So 1 minus 5, that's minus 6. So you divide both side by, we want to look for y, that's minus 2. What's the coefficient of y? That is the number beside y. So minus 2, minus cancel minus, minus cancel minus, 2 cancel 2. What's left? Y equals to 3. Since we've gotten our y, you now say substitute. That is, since y equals to 3, so you substitute it into equation 1. if it is equation 2 you want to use, you are free to go. So we want to use equation 1 in this situation. This is our equation 1. X minus 1 equals to minus 1. So we want to look for our x, since we've gotten our y, y, sorry. So when we substitute, instead of putting your x, so your y there, put 3 in the case of this. So x minus 3 equals to minus 1. So x equals to minus 1 plus 3. X equals to find the answer. So now we are about to arrive to the answer. Now the number is what? Since x and y is the number, so the number here is 2 and 3, meaning that 23. So the number is 23. That's the final answer. Looking at this 12 question, this difficult question, the tens digit of a 2-digit number is 3 greater than the unit digits. When the digits are reversed, the number is reduced by 27. What is the number? So in this situation, the 10 digits. So let us first assume that let our digit be, let the two digits be x and y, the 2 digits. Now you now assume that this should be your and the 10 digits, and this be the unit part of it. As we cited the example, cited at 28 as the example, as we cited 28 as our example in the first question we treated, as in 20 and 8, meaning that this is the tens and this is 8 is the unit part of it. Now 8, and so we, since our x, you now say that is 10x, meaning that tens, and this is the unit part of it. So the question now says that the the question says the 10 digits of a 2-digit number, the 10 digits is 3 greater than, is 3, the 10 digits, this is the 10 digits. You can, x equals to this, this is the 10 digits, x equals to 10x, that is 10x also equals to x. So x equals to this, since this represents 10 digits, so x equals to 3 greater than the unit digit. That's the unit part of the digit. That is, this is not carrying 0, it's not tens, so it's units. Now, so we collect like terms in order to be in simultaneous equation form. So plus y coming to this side turns to minus y, so equals to your 3, so which is left. Now this, for us to get the second equation, now says that when the digits are reversed, I said it in the first question that reversing of digits equals to the actual digit. This is the actual digit. You can write it. Let's write it down here. Plus y equals to the reversing. Reverse means that this will also be the tens digit, plus this will also be, and this will be the unit part of it, that is x. So when the digit is reversed, the number, when the digit is reversed, the number is reduced. That is, this number is reduced by 27. Reduced, that's minus 27. So we collect like terms. So when we collect like terms, so it will now be 10x like terms. So it will now be 10x coming to this side, minus x plus y, then minus 10y minus 27 equals to 0. 0 is left outside. So 9x minus 9y minus 27 equals to 0. 9x minus this, when we, 9y minus 27 coming to this side, that's 27. So divide both side by 9. So when we divide both side by 9, all side by 9, I mean, so 9 cancel 9, 9 cancel 9, 9 cancel here 3. So it will be 9 minus y equals to 3. In this situation, these are second equation. So you notice that x minus y equals to 3 and x minus y. So you cannot get your answer. So that's error question. So error question. Or okay, let's try to solve it. Our equation 1, x minus y equals to 3, x minus y equals to 3. Have you seen it? The same thing. If you try to eliminate, you won't get your answer. So it will be 0. You can try it. Okay, let's try it. Plus times plus plus. We want to eliminate x. Opposite of plus minus. So x minus x cancel. Minus x minus y minus sign minus plus minus y plus y. So it also cancel. So 3 minus 3 also cancel. So error question. So moving to the next question. Pause. Looking at this question, the ages of a mother and the daughter differs by 21. If the mother is 8 times as old as her daughter, find the sum of their age. So looking at the question says, Okay, we say let the age of the mother be m, and let age the age of the daughter, the age of the daughter be d. So the question now says that if okay, the ages of a mother and a daughter differs, that is the difference between their age, that's m minus d equals to 21. That's the difference. And it's the second equation, now says, if the mother is 8 times the mother, this is the mother, is equals to 8 times his daughter, I mean her daughter. So this is the equation 2. Now already m is already given here, m equals to 8d. So substitute, when you substitute sub, so you substitute m equals to 8d into equation 1. Since this is our equation 1, so that is, instead of putting m, okay, minus d equals to 21. So instead of putting m here, put 8d. 8d minus d equals to 21. So that's 7d equals to 21. So divide both side by minus, and that's 7. Divide both side by 7 because it's the coefficient of d. So over 7 over 7. 7 cancel 7. D equals to 3. So the question says we should look for the sum of their age. So we need to calculate the age of the mother. So substitute. You now say substitute d equals to 3 into, substitute d equals to 3 into equation 2. So we've used equation 1 at this point, so we need to use equation 2 since we haven't used it, so we need to use it now. So n equals to 8d. So we substitute our d equals to this. So to look for the age of the mother, that's 8 times 3, that's m equals to 24. So the sum of their age will now be m plus d equals to, so we need to calculate that. So what's the m? The mother is 24. So let's write it. Okay, let's manage this side. So m plus d equals to what? So the mother is 24, the children and the daughter is 3, so it equals to 27. Final answer. This is 27. Final answer. Looking at this question 17, the cost of pen and 3 rulers is 29 naira, while 2 rulers and 6 pens cost 46 naira. Find the cost of 8 rulers. Now looking at the board, let P represent pen, and R represents ruler. So the question says a pen plus 3 ruler equals to 21 naira, and while 6 pen plus 2 ruler equals to 46 naira. So these are the two equations. So you want to use the elimination method. Using the elimination method, solving simultaneous using the elimination method. So we want to eliminate our P in order to get R. So this is 6 behind this, that's the coefficient of P. So multiply by 6. This is 1 is here, multiply by 1. So 6 times P, that's 6P. 6 times 3, that's plus 18. R equals to 6 times 29. That's 6 times 29. That 6 times 29 is 174. Then 1 times 6P, that's 6P plus 2R. 1 times, that's plus 2R. Then 1 times 46, that's 46. So our P, I've just seen it's the same thing. So plus times plus plus. Opposite of plus is minus, so we can cancel it. And 18 minus 2R. 18 minus 2R, that's 16R equals to, so when we subtract this, minus 46, 174 minus 46, that is 128. So you divide both sides by the coefficient of R, that's 16. Divide by 16. 16 cancels 16. So when we divide it, equals to divide by 16, that's 8. So our R equals to 8. So the question says that 8 rulers equals to cost how much? That is, one ruler cost 8 naira, abi? Cost 8 naira. One ruler cost 8 naira. And 8 ruler cost, we don't know it, x amount. So we cross multiply. 8 times 8, that's 64, equals to this, that is naira. So equals to x times r, that's x ruler, that is 8 ruler will cost 64 naira. Final answer 64. So thank you. I hope you guys understood this word problems leading to simultaneous equation. So very soon videos on logarithm will be out, and many more. So I want you guys to click on the subscription button. Clicking on it doesn't mean anything, just to notify you on more of my videos too. Thank you and God bless you.